welcome to CaraBrandonCreations. I'm excited to be participating in a Crafter's Christmas Hop. Let me show you, this is what we're making today. Really fun. So let's hop into the video. I am making a layer tag. We were supposed to look at a past video and get inspiration. I'll link that video below. I think it was from last year. And I've printed a few of the pages from the kit so that we can have some embellishments. And then my two main pages, there's some more embellishments. My two main pages are these two. I think these will make a really cute layered tag. I think I'm going to put this one behind and then this one in the front, and then we can decorate it. Alright, so our first tag is going to be 3 inches by 6. And then we're going to make a smaller tag, which we'll kind of determine after we cut the first one. Alright, so first thing, I'm going to trim my edges. I'm just going to trim those off. I always forget to do borderless, which would probably have alleviated that problem of needing to trim, but no biggie. Alright, so let's cut this at 3. And then I'm going to cut this down to 6 inches. Alright, so that will be the back, my back tag. And then my smaller tag, let's do 2.5, looks like. Trim off this weight, and we'll do 2.5, let's see. Yeah, that'll be good. Well, let's do 5.5 and see what that looks like. Yeah, I think that is perfect. Okay, so just a 1/2 inch shorter or smaller. Alright, and then I'm going to ink these up. I also need to cut the tag shape. A lot of times you'll see these layer tags in my digital kits. I just think they're really fun to do. But they're also easy to do with scrapbook paper, digitals that you've printed, like this background, and they're really fun, and it makes them even more sturdy. I did print my paper on cardstock, not a very heavy cardstock, but I did print it on cardstock. Alright, I'm going to use my tag punch. There we go. And then we can layer this up. Before I glue this on, let's take a look at our ephemera. And there's loads more. Oops, that's not. And let's see, there might be something I kind of want to peek out. This would be a cute tab to put on the side. And then I think this would be cute sticking out. Okay, so I'm going to go cut some of these and I'll be right back. Okay, I fussy cut some pieces. And I have some lace. I don't think this is lace. Not sure what you call that. And I pulled out a little bit of this other lace for a topper. Oh, there's this little scrap. Actually, let's use that because that might go really well together. Okay. But before we put that on, I want to make an eyelet. So this guy is going to go here and be a little dangle. So I'm going to add an eyelet right here. I think I'm going to use the smaller size, mainly because that's the size of the eyelets I have right now. And we'll just pop this in. And then we'll smush it, just like that. And then in here, I have a bunch of little charms. Like these are Tim Holtz ones, and then I think that some of these I just ordered on Amazon. They're so cute. The stocking would be fun. Seeing if the sleigh would be cute. Christmas tree. I'm gonna go with the stocking. Unfortunately, I don't have any silver. All of my metal is mismatched. I think I can do this with my fingers. And we'll just put this here. And this will help it so that it dangles in the right direction. All right, and then we can put that back here. And if you're going to do this, make sure you have enough space for your dangle to kind of go over the edge. You know what I'm saying? Close enough, but not too close where it will rip. And if I was thinking, I would have backed this instead of leaving it white before I put my eyelet in. All right, so then that is going to go here. Oh, but my tangling the wrong way still. Let's see. There we go. Cute. All right, so now let's glue it together. I'll use some Fabri-Tac and my glue. And I'm gonna leave my edges right now not totally glued down so that I can put these pieces sticking underneath. All right, so this one I want to put over here like that and make sure Merry Christmas is still sticking out. We could go this way or we could go this way. I think I'm gonna go this way. Like that. And then we're going to put this guy over here. Like that. Very cute. Make sure Santa's still poking out there. And then I'm going to put this Santa in the middle. And this is where I was thinking this behind would give it some nice texture. I think I'm just going to cut it right here. Just like that. Nice little piece behind. Stick that right here. And then our Santa can go right there. Yeah, I really like the color and the texture. It all kind of brings everything together. And then our Santa right here. And then as a topper, we'll use this lace right here. Cut some of this off. Whoops. And there we go. There is our finished layered tag. Very cute. All right, so now you want to hop on over to Antonio's video and see his take on the layered tag. All right, if you liked this video, I would be tickled if you hit the like button, and if you really liked it, if you wanted to hit the subscribe button, that would be wonderful. And as always, I hope you have a wonderfully crafty day.